Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another what I eat in a day. In these videos, I simply show you my healthier lifestyle meal ideas that you can incorporate into your weight loss journey or to help you maintain your progress. So let's get started with breakfast. I'm gonna start with my coffee. This is the coffee creamer I've been using recently. It's an oat milk coffee creamer, so it's dairy free. For those of you that are lactose intolerant, this is a great option, or those of you that are just trying to cut out dairy. This is the brown sugar flavor, but there's a ton of different options. I've tried a handful of them. I think they're all great. Then for my breakfast, I'm going to use the 647 bread. This is the bread I typically go to. I try other options, but this is always the one I have on hand. I'm just gonna pop a slice in the toaster. It's up to you if you wanna make 1 or 2 slices. Today I'm just gonna make 1 because I'm honestly just not that hungry this morning. Then once that's ready, I'm going to load it up with an avocado that I'm just going to take a knife and spread all over. Again, if you have 2 slices, you can totally just use each half of the avocado on each slice of toast. And then to top this off, I'm going to use one of my go-to favorite seasonings. This is the Everything But the Bagel seasoning. I'll link this down below, as well as a bunch of other products I mention in this video and discount codes if you are interested, so be sure to check that out. Today was oddly warm. It was so beautiful out, so I decided to have my breakfast and coffee out on the front porch with my pup while I answered some emails. This is definitely one of my go-to favorite quick, easy breakfasts. It's really filling and very savory and rich in flavor. There are a lot of days that I make bigger meals and other days that I feel like I'm such a grazer. Today was one of those days. So today I'm going to do what I call my adult Lunchable. Basically, it's like a little snack plate that I can graze on while I'm working. This won't be ideal for everyone, but this is perfect for me most days. I switch up what I use a lot, but today I'm going to start with a pickle spear. Then I'm going to use a couple rolled up slices of ham, some cut up pepper jack cheese, and a hard-boiled egg with pepper. Sometimes I also like to add a side of fruit or a veggie, but it's really easy to graze on, and it still leaves you full and satisfied until dinner. I feel like I get asked this a lot recently, and I've also just failed to mention. So typically, like 9 times out of 10, I'm just drinking water throughout the day. Sometimes I'll switch it up for a flavored seltzer or add a Mio to my water. I'm really good about just having water rather than juice or soda because they're loaded with sugar and carbs that you simply don't need. For dinner tonight, my fiance was able to get out of work at a decent time, so we cooked dinner together. So he is cooking up some steaks. So while he gets the meat ready, I'm going to get the salads ready. So we have 2 slightly different salads going on. For my salad, I had a giant bed of lettuce, some cut up cucumbers, shredded carrots, onion, avocado slices, and some feta cheese. And on Will's, his is a blend of greens, onion, cucumber, and feta. I'm going to add a little bit of dressing on mine. Today I'm using the Chunky Blue Cheese yogurt dressing. Will prefers to have his steak on a plate and salad on the side. Tonight I'm going to cut up my steak and place it over top my salad. And I just topped everything off with pepper. Built Bar has been one of my favorites for years now, especially when I'm craving something sweet. They have a ton of different flavors, I think 18 flavors, and they've also expanded their products, but I've only personally tried the Built Bars themselves. Because I am such a big fan, I'm definitely going to try out their other products so soon. And if you've tried them out, let me know your thoughts on them. I'm craving something chocolatey, so I'm gonna give the German chocolate cake a try tonight. I truly do love Built Bar because they look and taste just like a candy bar. The texture is like identical to a Three Musketeers. It's that soft, fluffy, kind of chewy texture. And again, I'm just a big fan of the flavors that they offer. They always satisfy my sweet tooth without feeling any guilt after. They also offer nut-free, perfect for anyone with a nut allergy. They're gluten-free, there's no preservatives. So I just can't recommend them enough to anyone that is a fan of sweets and struggles with cravings. This allows you to indulge in a smarter way. So that is everything for today's What I Eat in a Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you are a fan of the style, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.